This song, just forget it. We'll get on with it. We'll do it again next year. So.
Valerie? Yes, sir.
Said Red Molly to James. That's a fine motorbike. A girl could feel special all in his such a life. Vincent, Black Lightning, my 1952. And I've seen you at corners and cafes and scenes. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. Then he pulled her on behind and down to Knoxville that he ride. Said James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. But I'll tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17, and I brought in the old man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years, I might make 22, and I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. Then if fate should break my stride, I'll give you my Vincent. He's running out of road, he's running out of breath. But he smiled to see him cry. Said he'll give you mountains to ride. Said James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now the Nortons and Indians and Greaves just won't do. They ain't got a soul of my Vincent 52. So he reached for her hand and he slipped her the keys. Said I don't have any further use for this. I see angels on Ariels in leather and gold, and they're coming down from heaven to carry me home. Then he gave her one last kiss and died. Bluegrass band, thank you again for putting up with us, will you?
Thank you all.
And gave her his Vincent to ride.
Thank you so much.
I got through it over there. Did you hear that?
My favorite Bluegrass.